Hey guys, Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1 to 144 scale high grade Jupitive Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, this is my first Gundam 2020, so Happy New Year once more. You know, I'm 2 weeks late again, but it's better late than never, isn't it? Second of all, well, unfortunately, I have college just reopened, so I'm not gonna do any reviews. I will do unboxings, but I won't do reviews of Gunpla until I graduate. So basically, this is my final year, so I will be graduating after this, and I'll be free for quite some time. So yeah, so do expect more videos once I finish college, like in a couple of months. So it's gonna unboxing. So. Okay, Sarah, what the frick are you doing here? First of all, you shouldn't be here in the first place. And second of all, it's called Jupitive, not Jupitive. And third of all, can you please go away before I just go, please. I'm busy right now.
But I want to be in this video. Can I be?
No, you can't be in the video.
Can I?
No, you can't. Okay, screw up. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Guys, use the box. That's the worst thing I have to do for managing that little bitch. But anyways, okay. So yeah, let's go on unboxing. So pretty much, I know I have the Earth Free, and I told myself I'm not really gonna get the other variations of the Core Gundam, but when I saw this in the show, I thought, yeah, I really like Jupitive as opposed to the Earth Free. Earth Free is more general purpose, while the Jupitive is more like the what should I call it? It's the space version, really. So, yeah, I really like this. I'm not a huge fan of the colors of the Core Gun itself, but the Jupitive stuff is pretty interesting. And I really like the funnels that comes with it. It's pretty nice. Like it becomes like a brand marker or like a beam shield, which is pretty neat. So let's go to unboxing. So yeah, on the side here we have the stuff you can do. Basically, you have the Jupiter armor. Well, yeah, I have the year free, so I do a comparison once I get this building. And the Core Gun. Basically, it's the colors are pretty much similar to the normal Core Gun, except it is more in the neon color, really. So yeah, I didn't expect that, but let's see how it goes. And basically, combine with it, yeah, it's pretty neat. And the Manafort bit, the Military Cutter bits, those are pretty nice. I mean, overall, I'm really excited to get this guy building because, quite frankly, I really like the Core Gundam. Though out of all the 5 variations we know so far, the Mercury 1, V2, or 3, Mars 4, Jupitive, my favorite was probably the Jupitive as of now, because I mean, I know they're gonna release a new version of the Core Gundam, but we'll see. But I'm still getting this because I just like the colors and the design of the Jupitive, really. There's the specs for the Jupitive. Doesn't mention the price, but it is 2,000 yen. Alright, so let's go on to open the box. Let me get my switch plate real quick. And okay, so open the box. I mean, I've not opened the box. I got it today, and funny enough, this kit actually came out on the same day in Japan. So, Billy bonus. That's really neat. I mean, I usually get like 1 or 2 weeks later after the Japan release, but I actually got it on the day of Japan release itself in where I live. So it's pretty neat. All right, let's open the box and see what's inside. First back we have the A plate, as the usual, the planet system. The blue of the Earth is now white, the armor, and not only the yellow and red, it's now more of a neon yellow and neon red, and you've got a clear, like a neon green piece for neon clear green piece for the symbol on the chest. And on the back we have the joints and some of the armor parts for the Core Gundam and the weapons as well. Side, sure, look at the camera. These are the new parts. The E plate, which is all the new parts to make the Jupitive Gundam, and you get a clear light blue stand, which is pretty neat. Though I'm not sure if we're using this or not, but we'll see how it goes. And on the back we have the B1 plate, which is all the parts for the Core Gundam. The D plate, which is the planet system runner, nothing new. And in the back we have the F1 plate, which is the new white parts for the Jupitive Gundam. And the last bag, which is pretty small. You've got the beam saber effect parts. You've got the beam effects for the Jupitive, the beam shield, and the beam brand marker, I guess I put it that way. And you get the polycaps. Right. So that's it. No instructions, which is pretty weird. Yep, the Jupitive Gundam. You can pause and you can pause and read if you want. You done? Good. Okay. So yep. I like the Jupitive. I really like the beam Gatling gun in Jupitive. It looks very similar to one of those models I've built earlier. I'm not sure which one is it, but it looks very similar to one of those. And the Manifold bit, which I saw MG25 Guns review, he said unfortunately these bits don't fly. But I mean the multi-cannon bits do, so that would do. But I think I know a way how to display these bits. I'm not sure if they really fly or not, but I know these multi-cannon bits to do. And the instruction, you know, the usual stuff, really. I mean, nothing new here, really. Just that you get the, now you get the Jupiter armor. But yeah, that's one unboxing of the high-grade Jupitive Gundam. I will not build this immediately because I got school, but I will get this building once the holidays start. I will start building this. This is probably the first kit I'll build in 2020 into the Gunpla. I mean, technically the first one I built was the Alto, but yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I will, guys, get back to review, you know, in a couple months' time. So yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.